So this is going to be a continuation of that first InDesign demonstration. So the reason it was coming in as blocks is so this is going to be what you would probably want to do before or as soon as you download your text if you use Google Docs. So we're going to go File. We're going to go Download As. This is kind of a little recap. Microsoft Word. So we see right here that it downloads. Now, what you're going to want to do is actually, so if we go to our downloads folder, we see that it is right there. If we double click, we open it up. You can also double click right here if you're ready for that, but you need to enable editing. That is the key reason. That is why we were getting just those blocks. So if you do it through Google Docs, when you download it, make sure you open it up, enable editing. So after you've opened it up and you've hit enable editing, let's go File, Save As, and let's put it in the Documents folder. And then you can keep the same title that you have as a Word document. And then go ahead and hit Save. And then make sure you exit out of the program because it will not place it while it's still open in another program. And then we're going to come back to InDesign and we're going to go to File, Place. And this time we're going to go to our Documents folder. And again, we are going to hold Shift and click in that upper left-hand corner of our margins guide, that purple box. And then we see that now we get the text. So the key thing is open it up in Microsoft Word after you've downloaded it to enable editing, and then to go to File, Save As. And I would just save it in the Documents folder. But we see right here that it has gone on to 3 pages. It looks like right here, that would be more than enough text. Like when I say, if your book needs to be 20 pages, then you do not have to write 20 pages worth of text. Because we are going to add pictures in there, and that's what it's going to mostly focus on is pictures. And some of the pictures may be small, and some maybe take the full page size. You can do a little comic book. I mean, it's up to you how you want to do that. So do not think that you have to write that many pages worth of text. If your story went on to 3 pages, I think that's more than enough. So if you had, it's up to you how much you like to write your own stories, stuff like that. Now there is also another option too that a lot of people like, which is like a children's story, which is like 1 or 2 sentences per page, with a photograph on each page. But for this one, this is and that's how you would put your text in differently in that case, and we'll get to that later. So after this, we'll get into adding some pictures.